In this thrilling video, we will take you on a journey through the most dangerous volcanoes in history, where you will witness incredible moments of destruction and the immense power of nature. We begin with Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, as the mountain erupts with tremendous force and streams of lava engulf the city of Pompeii, destroying it completely. Next, we move to Krakatoa in 1883, where a massive volcanic eruption occurs, sending a huge ash cloud into the sky, followed by tsunamis that devastate the surrounding coastal towns. In 1980, Mount St. Helens erupts, blowing off its peak in a catastrophic explosion as black smoke rises into the sky, painting a scene of disaster. We jump to Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines in 1991, where enormous ash clouds fill the sky and molten lava begins to ravage the surrounding land in a terrifying display. We then travel to Mount Etna in Italy in 2021, witnessing breathtaking nighttime explosions, with glowing red lava contrasting against the dark mountain, creating a stunning yet frightening sight. In Japan, the sacred Mount Fuji erupts in 1707, with lava flooding the valleys below in a mesmerizing display from one of the world's most iconic mountains. Next, we move to Kilauea in Hawaii in 2018, where a river of molten lava flows relentlessly through the forests, leaving a trail of destruction in its path. We return to 1815 at Mount Tambora, where massive ash columns stretch skyward, darkening the skies with volcanic debris that blots out the sun. We head to the island of Martinique in 1902, where Mount Pelée erupts, engulfing the entire city of Saint-Pierre in flames as torrents of lava overwhelm it. In Colombia, in 1985, Nevado del Ruiz erupts, melting the snow, which creates a deadly icy flood that races toward the nearby town. In 1783, Mount Laki in Iceland erupts, covering farmlands and homes in unstoppable rivers of lava, leaving a bleak and devastating scene. In 1914, Mount Sakurajima in Japan erupts, with continuous explosions amidst thick black smoke and rocks hurling through the air in a terrifying display of power. We move to New Zealand in 1886, where Mount Tarawera erupts, cracking the mountain open with destructive force as clouds of smoke block out the sun. In the distant past, 640,000 years ago, Yellowstone supervolcano erupts, creating a massive caldera as smoke rises into the sky, altering the landscape forever. In Costa Rica in 1963, Irazu erupts, sending massive amounts of dust and ash into the sky in an unforgettable scene of volcanic power. We travel to Japan again in 2015, where Mount Aso erupts, with lava flowing down the crater as black smoke clouds the horizon in a fearsome sight. In Greece, around 1500 BC, Santorini erupts underwater, creating a giant caldera in the middle of the sea in a spectacular explosion that reshapes the islands. Back in 2018, Mount Fuego in Guatemala erupts, with fast-moving lava swallowing houses in seconds in a terrifying display of nature's fury. In Costa Rica in 1968, Arenal erupts, with columns of smoke rising from the crater and lava glowing brightly against the night sky. In Mexico in 2000, Mount Popocatépetl erupts, sending molten lava rushing toward nearby villages, threatening everything in its path. Returning to Indonesia in 1257, Mount Rinjani erupts, creating a breathtaking caldera lake in the heart of the mountain, a scene of both beauty and destruction. Returning to prehistoric times, the Deccan Traps erupt, covering the land with thick black lava that stretches for miles. As we reach the end of our journey through the world's most dangerous volcanoes, we're reminded of the immense power and unpredictability of nature. These fiery giants have shaped landscapes, altered climates, and left unforgettable marks on human history. Yet, amidst the destruction, they also create new lands and renew ecosystems. The story of volcanoes is one of both fear and fascination, reminding us of the raw, untamed forces that lie beneath our feet.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next video.